Okay. Real good. Oh, girl. Let's try with some tartar. Okay. This is definitely up there with restaurant quality or higher. So this is definitely, yeah. Now we're gonna try the catfish and chicken. Okay, look at that. Lightly breaded. You know they're using clean oil. Dip it in there. It's super, super flaky. It kind of just melts away. Look at that. Cooked to perfection. Called a chicken coop, so I'm assuming it started out with the wings. They also sell whole pieces of chicken too, so this is good. Super juicy. Flavor all the way through. So they're actually marinating the chicken. You can tell, like, yeah, everything you're supposed to do, he's doing it right.